Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to solve the biggest problem on the Amazon FireStick in 2026. I am going to show you exactly how to completely block every single YouTube ad, permanently, for 100% free. We are going to install a secret open source masterpiece called SmartTube. It looks exactly like regular YouTube, but it blocks all commercials and automatically skips annoying sponsored segments. But we have a massive problem. Amazon removed our favorite downloader app from the store. So today, I am going to show you the secret FireSend workaround to force install downloader, and then we will use it to get SmartTube. Do not skip a single second of this video, because you need to get the security permissions exactly right. Grab your remote and let's hack your YouTube experience right now. Since we cannot search for downloader directly, we need a bridge app. Go to your FireStick home screen, move over to the left, and click the magnifying glass search icon. Type in the word FireSend. Look for the app with the bright purple logo. Click it, download it, and let it install. Critical warning: when it finishes downloading, do not open it yet. We have to unlock your FireStick security system first. Press the home button on your remote. Amazon tries to block us from using FireSend to install outside apps, but here is the cheat code. Scroll all the way to the right side of your home screen and highlight the settings gear. Go down and click on My Fire TV. We need the developer options menu. If Amazon hid it from you, do exactly this. Click on About. Look at the name of your Fire TV stick at the top. Take your remote and press the big center button 7 times extremely fast. Keep tapping until a tiny message pops up saying, "No need, you are already a developer." Hit the back button on your remote just once. Boom! Developer Options is unlocked. Now click into your newly unlocked developer options. First, click on ADB Debugging and switch it to ON. Next, go down to Install Unknown Apps and click it. Look down the list until you find our brand new purple FireSend app. Click it so the switch turns to ON. Perfect job! You just gave FireSend the permission it needs to grab our downloader app. Hit your home button. Now, go to your apps list, the icon with the 3 little squares and a plus sign. Find the purple FireSend app and launch it. When you get to the main menu, look for the option that says Room/Share and select it. It is going to ask you to join a room. This is the secret vault. Take your remote and type this exact word, download. Make sure you spell it perfectly and join the room. Wait a few seconds, and boom. The official orange downloader app file will appear right on your screen. Use your remote to click on it and click Download. When the pop-up appears, hit Install. When it says App Installed, just click Done. Do not open it yet. Before we use Downloader, hold the Home button, go to Settings, down to My Fire TV, open Developer Options, and click Install Unknown Apps. Find the brand new orange downloader app in the list and click it to turn it on. Hit the Home button, go to your apps list, and open your brand new downloader app. Make sure to click Allow on the permissions. Go to the URL search box right in the center of your screen and click it. Now I want you to type in this exact official quick code. Type 28,544. Hit Go. Guys, this is the official redirect code for the stable release of SmartTube. Wait a few seconds, and the download will start automatically. When the Android pop-up appears, scroll down and hit Install. When it says App Installed, click Done. You will go back to Downloader. click delete, and then click delete again. We are tossing the setup file in the trash to keep your FireStick running super fast. Hit the home button, go back to your apps list, scroll to the bottom and open up your brand new SmartTube app. Look at this interface, guys. It looks incredibly clean, just like the official YouTube TV app. Go to the left menu, go up to Accounts, and you can safely link your normal YouTube account. All your subscriptions and history will instantly sync up. But here is the best part. Click on any video right now. Boom. It plays instantly. Zero pre-roll ads. Zero mid-roll commercials. And look at the playback bar. It has a built-in feature called Sponsor Block. If the YouTuber starts talking about a VPN or a mobile game sponsor, SmartTube automatically skips right over that section. Now that you have this, you don't ever need the official Amazon YouTube app again. Hit your home button. Go to your apps list, the 3 squares. Highlight SmartTube. Press the menu button, the 3 little lines, on your remote, and click Move to Front. Now, your ultimate ad-free YouTube machine is sitting right on your main TV screen. Guys, Amazon tried to stop us, but we used the FireSend trick to bypass the block, and now you are officially done watching YouTube ads in 2026. If this step-by-step emergency workaround saved your sanity today, I need you to absolutely destroy that thumbs up button right now. It tells the YouTube algorithm that this video is important, and it helps other people escape those annoying, unskippable ads. Make sure you hit that subscribe button with the bell turned on so you never miss my newest cord-cutting secrets. Drop a comment down below. Did the FireSend room trick work perfectly for you? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy your ad-free streaming, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!